Hi everyone, I'm Sarah Hume, owner of Harley & Co Photography, a portrait studio in North Sydney, Australia. For almost a decade, I've been a loyal user of Elinchrom flash equipment. Our studio specialises in capturing maternity portraits, newborn families, pets and corporate headshots. Recently we had the pleasure of hearing from Kayell Australia about some exciting news. They informed us about the new addition to their already popular newborn flash kit. Having used combo stands with wheels for years, I understand the convenience they offer in quickly adjusting the position of my lights. So let me walk you through a couple of key features of this new flash kit. Firstly, the extendable column, sturdy and versatile. It can be adjusted to various heights, accommodating different shooting setups. With a maximum height of 1.35 meters, it provides ample support in mounting your flash securely. Mounting your flash is a breeze with the umbrella tilt mount, which not only provides stability but also helps distribute the weight evenly when using the large umbrella. Now on to the wheels. Equipped with brakes, they offer stability and support. When not in use, the entire setup can be folded away, minimising its footprint. For those of you who already own Kayell's newborn flash kit, you'll be pleased to know that the wheel and column set can be purchased separately. Whether you're upgrading to the new kit or fine-tuning your existing setup, there's plenty to explore. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye for now. I hope you found this overview helpful. Be sure to check out the link for a detailed installation guide and more information.